Budgeting and financial management. Capabilities in budget creation and management for events, including monitoring, spending, obtaining sponsorships, and optimizing return on investment. Risk management and compliance. Being aware of the hazards related to events, including safety solicitudes, legal obligations, and emergency or weather-related planning for unforeseen circumstances. Technology and events. Familiarity with event management software, registration platforms, and digital engagement tools like event apps or virtual events platforms. Marketing promotion, ability to draw sponsors, partners, and attendees by effectively marketing the event. Social media, digital marketing, and conventional advertising techniques are all included in this.